I'm a coder, I'm a YouTuber, and I'm a maximalist. I have a lot of stuff, too much stuff. Right now I'm looking at my other desk because this is my main desk, and then I have another desk here to the side, and I have 6 laptops on it. So besides using my desktop computer, which I built in order to have virtualized environments and run my own virtual labs, I have 6 laptops that I used in order to create my own computer lab. And as you can see behind me, I have a 49-inch curved monitor, and I have a coder's reference monitor in portrait mode. Now this is great because what I get to do with that is I get to see a lot of code at one time on the screen. And this monitor here, the 49-inch, I can run a bunch of virtual monitors on that as well. Now like I said, I'm a coder. I spend about 10 hours plus per day looking at code, writing code, refactoring code, reverse engineering code. As a YouTuber, I create videos teaching people how to design and develop websites and how to manage a website. But for a while now, I've been seeing some videos from a guy named Matt D'Avella. He's a very popular YouTuber, and he's someone who talks a lot about minimalism. He even has a documentary on Netflix about it. And it got me to thinking, can I become a minimalist coder? Can I set aside all this technology I have and use just one device for coding? Now, it could obviously be done, right? Because as a coder, you really only need a laptop. Now, as a YouTuber, you're gonna need something more powerful so you can edit videos. But as someone who spends 10 hours a day looking at code, it helps to have these big monitors and powerful systems running them. And when you're doing penetration testing and when you're doing cybersecurity, you need to have a lab environment so you can test your code, so you can test what's gonna work and what's not. So here I have a MacBook Air, a MacBook Pro, a Pi top which has a Raspberry Pi, my Alienware laptop which is the most powerful of the group. Then I have a Lenovo laptop which is running Linux Mint, and a Samsung laptop that's running an older version of Windows. And that I'm doing on purpose. On my main desktop, I'm running Windows 10, but I also have VirtualBox that have a bunch of virtualized environments. I use Ubuntu, I use Linux Mint, I use Kali Linux, and I have a dedicated server setup that's similar to what I'm running on a production website in a data center. But all of this, I'm gonna give up for 1 week to see if I can become a minimalist coder. Now, which device should I use? Should I use my desktop computer? Now, that's obviously the most powerful of all my computers. The problem there is that I can't take it anywhere with me. So now let's look at my laptops. Should I use the MacBook Air? Now, when you think about minimalism, Apple products and MacBooks tend to be the type of laptops that you associate with a minimalist. I mean, it has a clean design and it just looks like a minimalist type laptop. Now, in reality, my MacBook Air and my MacBook Pro, they're older generations. So they're not going to have the power that I need in order to do a lot of things that I like to do. For regular coding, yes, but when running virtualized environments, not really going to do the job for me. For editing videos, not going to be the best. Obviously, the Raspberry Pi running in the Pi top is not going to be the best solution either. So for this experiment, I'm going to use my Alienware laptop. Now, it is a very powerful laptop. It may not look like a minimalist type laptop, but it has everything I need in order to get my job done. So now I got to balance out this experiment of being a minimalist coder while still trying to be productive. Now, this is an experiment. It's a test to see if I guess I'm a maximalist, can I try this thing called minimalism and still be productive? Now remember, I code, I create YouTube videos, and I have to run a lot of virtualized environments. I'm also someone who needs to be able to be mobile. And since time is money, I need to be productive and I need to make sure that the hardware I'm using is going to be powerful. So what do you think? Do you think I could pull this off? You think I could actually not use my desktop computer, this 49-inch monitor with my coder's reference monitor? Can I set that aside and just use one laptop? I mean, I've been spoiled. I've gotten myself a lot of tools that make me more productive and make me a more efficient or effective, hopefully, coder. But that being said, you don't really need all this. So let's see if I can pull this off. Can I be a minimalist coder? Matt D'Avella, the challenge is accepted. This will be fun. Let's see how this goes.